Welcome back everyone. After a quick break for Christmas and New Year, we're back to work. Right here, you can see the third coat of the build-up we applied just before the holidays. The goal was to get 5 coats down before the break, giving them plenty of time to cure and harden, so they'll be ready for sanding as soon as we got back. Let's jump right in and keep this project moving.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to sand. We're gonna sand the build-up of Allspar on the capping rail. We have 5 coats there already, which has been curing for the last, actually during our Christmas break. So it's gonna be a good time to sand it now. But it's such a big build-up there. This time we're gonna give it a good, slightly good sanding with 180 grit. And then we're gonna flatten it down because it's been a big build-up. So this is what we're gonna use.
Using large sanding blocks is absolutely essential, always, unless you're working on those tight spots where the board just can't reach. The sanding board is a game changer because it helps ensure the entire capping rail stays perfectly flat and straight. Trust me, once that final coat goes on, with its high gloss shine, any dips or waves will stand out like a sore thumb. Getting it right now makes all the difference in the end.
Once we finish the sanding, we're gonna take the blue tape off. This one here, the 1 inch off. We're gonna put a new 1 inch tape. Alright, the grain is almost full, guys. This is 5 coats in here. We're about to take the blue tape off, and we're gonna apply a fresh 1 inch tape, and then we're gonna start building up again.
Let me explain the taping process you see here. You'll notice I've got 1 inch blue tape layered over a 2 inch yellow tape. There's a good reason for this. Once the varnish starts to build up, it's crucial to remove that 1 inch tape before the layers get too thick. Otherwise, you'll struggle to peel it off cleanly. My system is to pull off the blue tape every 5 coats, depending on how things are progressing. For this project, I'm planning to apply at least 15 build-up coats of Allspar on this capping rail. So managing the tape is a key part of keeping the finish sharp and clean.
This is coat number 6, guys. Coat number 6. Alright guys, it's done. This side is done with coat number 6. It's starting to look good now, guys. Starting to look good now. I'll show you right now. Let me just secure this varnish and then I'll show you. Alright. Wow. Can you see it? Can you see the shine? Alright, that's coat number 6.
Right now, I'm focused on the port side and the starboard side capping rails. The bow will have to wait for another day or so. I'm prioritizing the sides, especially the port side, since that's where most of the crew and workers are coming and going. It's a busy area, so I want to get it done and protected first.
Yeah. That's it, guys. Yes, Friday afternoon. Look, this is the 6th coat. Coat number 6, guys. Starting to look good now. Alright. So we'll stop from there. We'll let it cure for the weekend. And then we'll scratch it with 220 on Monday.
Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the progress, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update. See you soon.